I need to go over one thing before you start your free Amazon PPC masterclass, and that is the key to momentum on Amazon, how to increase your organic rank. And there's one key thing. It's never running out of stock. And the reason that is because Amazon's algorithm is actually very simple. They want products that have a high conversion rate and they have a high sales velocity. And when you have a high conversion rate and high sales velocity, you will move up in the organic rank. Now, if you run out of stock, your sales velocity goes to 0. Therefore, you tank in organic ranking. And then you have to swim upriver to get back up in the organic ranking. You have to launch more products. You have to give a bigger discount. So make sure you never run out of stock. And that's where Profitable Pineapple Express comes into play. Go to profitablepineappleexpress.com to check out a free 2-week trial. When you're doing inventory management, spreadsheets become outdated the second you stop putting in the data. Whereas in a software management solution like Profitable Pineapple Express, that's going to dynamically update every single hour based on your sales velocity. And then it's going to tell you what you need to order, when you need to order it by, and when it needs to be shipped in and where it needs to be shipped to. So head to profitablepineappleexpress.com, check out our inventory management software for free for 14 days. And if you're doing under 200 orders a month, it's free for you always. And so make sure you head there and check it out.